Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping and gaining access. Disconnect the battery and remove the interior trim. Use a trim tool and Torx T20 to drop the door panel. Keep clips organized. Once the panel is off, peel back the vapor barrier carefully so you don't tear it. Make sure the window is up and the lock rods are visible. Now locate the interior linkage and the exterior handle bolts. You'll remove 2 screws and 1 retaining clip to free the handle assembly next. Once the handle assembly is free, you'll detach the linkage rods using a small flat tool to pry the clips off. Note which rod goes where for reassembly. Inspect the handle pivot, plastic retainers, and the latch actuator for cracks or worn teeth. If the handle is cracked or clips are broken, replace them now. If the actuator is faulty, swap it too. Before reinstalling, apply white lithium grease to pivot points and moving parts to ensure smooth action and reduce future wear. Reinstall the handle by aligning it and tightening the bolts to snug factory fit, then clip the linkage rods back into their original positions. Reseal the vapor barrier and reconnect any electrical connectors before snapping the door panel back in place. Reconnect the battery and test the door from both inside and outside, checking lock and unlock functions. If the handle feels stiff, clean the latch area with contact cleaner and reapply lubricant. If it still binds, verify clip placement or replace the latch actuator as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.